welcome back to my channel. Y'all already know what time it is. Y'all already know what to do. So today we're going to be cleaning up and stuff. I hope you'll be alright. We're finna be spring cleaning and stuff before I go on my trip to Miami. So I'm finna clean up the whole house. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying, it don't take that long. I'm going to be doing some extensive cleaning because I need to make some room. So I'm finna be giving away some of my stuff that's like in my great thing right now because I need some space. So I don't know how I'm finna do this. I already changed my sheets and stuff. Change my comforter. I really just need to get all this stuff off my floor. I don't think I'm putting my clean clothes up today. I just don't feel like it. It's just too much. I'm gonna just clean my room, get all my clothes out the way. All my clothes that I know that I'm possibly gonna be taking for the trip. I think I'm just gonna. I don't know. I don't want to put them up because I'm gonna have to go through it again. So I don't know. I might put all my stuff for a trip in a bag and just put it to the side. So when it's time, I can just go through that bag and like empty out everything. I don't know. I don't know what sense that make. But yeah, so stay tuned, y'all. Alright, so y'all already know I'm finna start cleaning up my room, and you know, it's in disarray. I had to get my clothes together. I had to get some clothes together to give the Goodwill, all my old clothes and stuff like that right there because I'm running out of room. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do first. I'm gonna clean up my room, even though it's gonna take like 3 to 4 hours. Then I'm gonna go to the bathroom and the living room and stuff like that right there. So yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned, like the video, hype the video as well, y'all, because yeah, I'm trying to bring y'all more cleaning content as well. It's gonna be, you know what I'm saying, more like I said, y'all, it is a lot going on. My house is in disarray, but yeah. So now, y'all, I'm over here going through my bin, looking at the clothes that I don't want, that I can't fit and stuff like that right there. And now I'm finna get rid of them. And y'all, I had like 2 to 3 bags worth of shit. Like, it was just too much stuff. But yeah, so I do this so I can bring more. Guys, I completely forgot about y'all, but look at my room. I'm finna do a full... Okay, so boom, let's start over here. So as you guys see, I added my little neon sign. I added my new curtains. I got my new sheets. As y'all can see, my new sheets with my new pillows, my new pillowcases, some more new, you know what I'm saying, curtains. Then I finally put up my neon signs over here. This really didn't even take that long. I don't know why it took that long to put that shit up. So I have like my little, you know what I'm saying, room rules, got my neon sign, got my other don't touch my shit, you know what I'm saying, room rules, got other stuff up here. And I think I'm gonna fill this wall up, try to like, you know, make it like a big old collage in a way to like, you know, put different paintings out there and different like, you know, motivational words and stuff. So now I got this new lamp right here that I got, which is so tea. Then I got, you know, of course, my handy dandy. My new rugs is on the floor as well. Let me see if I can turn the camera. There's my new rugs right there on the floor. Everything is copacetic, y'all. Everything is copacetic. I'm finna get in the shower. That's why my clothes is on the floor. But yeah, whole room just did a major upgrade, just the little stuff, you know. I'm still not finished because, you know, you guys, I said I wanted to put the butterflies and the flowers over there on my wall, so make that pop. And then I was gonna put some flowers and vines above my door, and I might have wanted to put like flowers on my door, actually on the outside or the inside of my door. So then I'll be done. I feel like I should do my closet door too, because I don't like how my doors look inside my room. But yeah, so I'm gonna be done pretty soon. I still have to get a new dresser. That's really been on the back burner. I really haven't been thinking about that because I've been having a lot going on. But yeah, y'all, so this is my room. Let me show you guys the rest of the house. I hope I didn't get myself naked. Naked, I wanna see you. Where's my house shoes at? Okay, anyway, I need my house shoes. So the bathroom, nice and clean, as you guys can see. I'm gonna take a shower real quick. Hopefully the floor is dry. Everything should be copacetic. Hey, let's go put them rugs back down. What is that glob of hair right there? Living room semi-clean. Not clean as I want it to be. And y'all see my office. It's alright. I need to get it back together. It was just clean. But you know how it goes when you doing work and packages just loading up. I'm selling wigs, opening packages, doing things, clothes washing. I mopped the kitchen with my new mop bucket. And the kitchen is clean. Pest control just came as well. He said that he's going to come back in 2 weeks. Oh, I need to put my shoes on. He's gonna come back in 2 weeks and stuff because he doesn't like how, like, you know, I guess the service is going or whatever. But anyway, so yeah, that is it for this cleaning vlog, y'all. I am well prepared. My house is now in order for me to go out of town. Hopefully it stays like this for 2 days. Literally, we got 2 days. Hopefully it stays like this. But yeah, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.